I hope you've really done the exercise and now have a list of memories with their meanings on the column next to them. If you have, well done. I'm sure it wasn't too easy, but you did it. If you haven't, please go back and do it. Now the next thing is to find common themes. Go down through the list of meanings and identify the common themes among them. What meaning gets repeated over and over again? What are essentially the same types of theme? You can circle them using different color pens or whatever. And then summarize the common themes in the section called Common Themes. And please use your own words to describe that theme. You can also write down some personal values that you see yourself upholding throughout your life. For me, contribution has been a big one because I saw how my parents gave back. Personal values are principles that you live by and those you may have expected from others to uphold. If you need help, go back to the previous video where I shared how I found my why. Some of the common themes, like giving back, for example, came from going through my memories and realizing they came up more than once. So I'll leave you to it, and I'll see you in the next video.